Hi, Linux lovers, welcome back to Training and Trainings. Today, we're diving into a simple and powerful yet incredibly useful and often overlooked command in Linux, the Whatis command. Whether you're a Linux beginner or an advanced user, this command can quickly become your best friend, and this command can save you time and effort by providing quick descriptions of other commands. Let's get started. Have you ever stumbled upon a command and wondered, what does this do? Well, the Whatis command has got you covered. The Whatis command is like having a quick reference guide right at your fingertips. It provides a concise description of any command you throw at it. Think of it as your Linux dictionary. It searches the manual page names and gives you the first line of the manual page, which is a brief description of what the command does. Whatis command in Linux is used to display a brief description of a specified command or keyword. It is a quick way to get a summary of what a command does. The Whatis command searches the manual page names and displays the first line of the manual page for the specified command. This is useful for getting a quick summary of what a command does without needing to read the full manual page. Whatis option main ... The syntax is straightforward and super simple. You just type Whatis, followed by any options you might need, and then the name of the command you want to learn about. Let's break down the syntax of the Whatis command. Whatis, this is the command itself. Option ... The square brackets denote that the enclosed items are optional. Option refers to any of the command line options or flags that modify the behavior of the Whatis command. The ellipsis ... indicates that multiple options can be provided. Name ... The name refers to the name of the command or keyword you want to look up. The ellipsis ... indicates that you can provide multiple names. Let's look at some examples. Go to the Linux terminal to input the command. Let's start with a classic basic example. 1. Basic and simple usage. Whatis command. Suppose you're unsure what the ls command. What does ls do? Let's find out by just typing Whatis ls and hit enter. Whatis ls. Terminal output is ls1. List directory contents. And there you have it. As you can see, Whatis tells us that ls is used to list directory contents. Simple, quick, and efficient, right? 2. Multiple commands. But what if you want to look up multiple commands at once? No problem. Whatis command can handle that too with ease. Terminal input. Simply, just type Whatis followed by all the commands you want to check, separated by spaces. For example, Whatis lspwdcp. This will display brief descriptions of the ls, pwd, and cp commands. Terminal output, ls1. List directory contents, towdd1. Print name of current working directory, cp1. Copy files and directories. There you go. Brief descriptions of multiple commands, all at once in one go. 3. Using with wildcards. Now, let's say you want to find all commands that start with a certain letter or pattern. You can use the wildcard option with Whatis. To find all commands starting with L, use the -w option followed by L*. This will display descriptions of all commands starting with the letter L. Let's try it out. Whatis -w L*. Impressive! Look at that, a list of commands starting with L, along with their descriptions. The Whatis wl* command in Linux is used to search for and display descriptions of all commands that start with the letter L. The W option allows the use of wildcards, and in this case, L* matches any command name that begins with L. For common options, there are common option which you can use with Whatis command as flag, like -d or -debug. Display debugging information, -v or -verbose. Print verbose information, -w or -wildcard. Use wildcards in the search, -l or -lon. Do not trim output to the terminal width. You can use the -d or -debug option. Let's check out the mkdir command with debugging information. Type on Linux terminal input Whatis-dmkdir and see the terminal output Whatis. Looking for mkdir in /us or /share/man. Found one match for mkdir-dir1. Make directories, and you can see exactly where Whatis is looking and what it finds. -v or -verbose. Print verbose information in if you ever want a more verbose output, need even more detail. The -v or -verbose option gives you a bit more context on the command search process. Let's try it with the ps command. Type Whatis-vps terminal and put ps1. Report a snapshot of current processes. Verbose output gives you a bit more detail and more insights, showing you all the matches found about the search process and results. -w or -wildcard. Use wildcards in the search. We have already discussed the wildcard. -l or -long. Do not trim output to the terminal with -l or -long option with the Whatis command. It is useful when you want to see the full description of a command without any part of it being cut off to fit the terminal width. This is particularly handy when the description of a command is long and you want to see the full text without any truncation. In Linux, the Whatis command provides a brief description of commands, making it a quick reference tool. Typically, these descriptions are short, but if a command has a longer description, it might get cut off. To ensure you see the full description without any truncation, you can use the -l option with the Whatis command. So, there you have it. The Whatis command is a quick and handy tool to get brief descriptions of other commands in Linux. Whether you're learning new commands or need a refresher, Whatis has got you covered. It's efficient, straightforward, and incredibly useful for anyone working in a Linux environment. Thanks for joining me today on Training and Trainings. Thanks for watching this episode. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. And as always, keep exploring and keep learning. See you next time.